Guys, I need some help. So I actually broke my Glock on accidentally. Um, as you can tell, my barrel is slightly dented. I don't know. I think I just dropped it one time. And now when I shoot at the ops, I'm going to be busting and it's going to go right over their head because if you guys can barely tell, the barrel's actually kind of slanted towards upwards a little bit. So now I'm just going to have to aim at their nuts and the bullet might just have to like travel up directly like in diagonal arrow. So guys, could you please help me? I don't know how to fix this and I need someone to buy me a new barrel.